Yes, there are some overlap between, both of them, but there are cases where you can use bar, where you cannot use guna, and there are cases where you can use guna but not bar. Okay, when you do something a certain number of occurrences, that's where you will say that, bar. For example, if you've gone to Greece 4 times, you say मैं ग्रीस 4 बार गया हूँ. You will not say 4 गुना गया हूँ. If your number of travel is increased by 2 times, okay, intensity is increased, the occurrences, you can say that, मेरा travel 4 गुना बढ़ गया है. My travel is increased by 4 times. Yeah, so we will definitely cover those examples as well. But any questions on the basics so far? Anyone?